TotalBeatTheBroke.com. Good morning, Mark Morris, TotalBeatTheBroke.com. Take two, subscribe. Right now, it's a lot of rain outside. I have to go out to class until 9 o'clock. Subscribe. Tomorrow is payday for me, so anytime I write down all my bills. My goal this year is this month and next few months, trying to get myself like 40% of my income, which means I got to cut all my other expenses and bring more money in with my other side business. Subscribe. You guys, anybody 135K in debt? That was me. Oh, $94,458 on a student loan. That's why I always show you guys. It says, Martin, your student loans. But I didn't have to worry about buying or any weird economic things to help me pay it off. I just put my head down, worked extra hours, used the credit card transfers, used some other tricks I told you. No going out, no drinking. Just doing it the old school way, the anti-AI way. Subscribe. Got a lot of debt. Let me help.